Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be testing out a new palette that I recently got a while ago, and it has been out for a while, but I didn't have the chance to try it out. It is the collab between Aina and Anastasia, and if you want to know how I got this look right here, then please keep on watching.
For primer, we're going to go ahead and use the Benefit POREfessional primer and apply it on our cheeks, nose, and any other problem areas that you may have to minimize your pores. For foundation, I'm going to be using the Tarte Amazonian Clay, and I believe it's in the shade Light Neutral. For concealer, I'm going to be using the Smashbox Studio Skin 24-Hour Waterproof Concealer in the shade Light. For powder, I'm going to be using the Kylie Cosmetics Translucent Powder that I really do love. For brows, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in the color Taupe, and I'll be doing that off screen. To set the rest of my face, I'm going to be using MAC Mineralized Skinfinish. For bronzer, I'm going to be using, as always, Hoola's Benefit and just warming up my face. Now to clean up my bronzer, I'm just going to go ahead and use the translucent powder. So this is the look we're doing today, and the palette that I'm going to be using is Anastasia Beverly Hills and Aina collab. And the first color I'm going to be dipping into today is Ginger, and I'm going to be applying that in my crease. The next color is Edges, and I'm going to be focusing that just below my crease and on the outer V of my eye. The next two colors I'm going to be using are called Zam and Solil, I believe it's called, and I will be using my fingers to apply both of these colors to my lid and just putting one right on top of the other. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using the KVD Beauty Tattoo Liner, which has become one of my favorites. Now that I've done an extremely dramatic wing, I'm going to go ahead and finish up my eye look. Going back in with the color edges, I'm just going to apply that to my lower lash and smoke it out. Now I am going to go ahead and tightline my eye using the Urban Decay Cosmetics 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. For mascara, I'm going to be using the Revlon Volumazing Mascara and just finish applying that to my lashes. For highlighter, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Liquid Glow highlighter in the color Oyster. And I'm just going to apply it on the high points of my face. For blush, I'm going to be using the Anastasia blush kit, and I'm going to be using the shade Breeze. And for lips, I'm going to be using the Colourpop Lippie pencil in the color Skimpy. And for lips, I'm going to be using the Anastasia lip gloss in the shade Undressed.
And that is the video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this makeup look that I created today. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notifications, and come back for more beauty related content. I hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.